How you doing then, guys? Part 2 on the silver TT with the noisy engine. Yeah, it's in the unit now, so I can get a little bit more in depth with it. I've had a nightmare creating space, but here we are, it is in. So first thing to do today, get it up in the air, get the sump off and see what we can see. Oh. All right, let me see what I can show you. All right, I want you to see this. Look at the state of that pickup pipe. Okay, so I'm gonna take this cover down and investigate a little bit further. Just taking this bolt out of here. Take the drainage tray out, and then we can inspect the engine. Now I'm just going to let the drips go a bit more so that I can get my phone in there properly. Okay, so let's have a look. Well, there you go. That's gonna cause a bit of a knock, isn't it? Sound familiar? Yeah. Let's have this, take this rod apart and see what the bearing's doing. Okay, so we're gonna undo the big end and see what's going on. 14 mil. Let's get some of that rubber and give this a tap. There we go. That's it's destroyed. Crank I can feel. Might be all right. Let's have a look. So that bearing is knackered. You can see the original machining marks. This might be all right. Let's retrieve what's left from in here. I mean, it doesn't look pretty, and I can certainly feel grooves with my nail at this end. Yeah, it's not good. Well, I can catch
the grooves with my nail across this side here. So that's damaged. That would need resurfacing really. So here's what I made earlier. This is an 80,000 mile BAM engine that is ready to go. Let's get it in. But I'm gonna need a crane. So, let's rip the engine out. I'm going to need to remove the front bumper, then remove the slam panel and the radiators, disconnect the aircon system. I leave the power steering system intact. I just remove the power steering pump from the engine, remove all the electrical connectors, remove all the coolant lines, remove the drive shaft, the prop shaft, the downpipe, and then pull it out. Pretty easy, really. Okay, so for completeness and so that I've satisfied my curiosity, I've just pulled the pickup pipe off and look what that is made up of. That is black silicon sealant. Okay, so, oh look, we've got lots of black silicon sealant that should not be there. Lots. This actually really winds me up. So a garage has done a job for a customer, they've done it wrong, and they've killed his engine. Really, really pees me off. It's not on. He's paid, you know. I'm angry. I'm angry. This customer put his faith in the garage. They've done all his work for a long time and then messed it up. And even convinced him that actually, do you know what? It's beyond saving now. Go and buy another car. Yeah, but you broke his car. You killed his car. You did the job wrong and you killed his car. And now he's had to spend money on a new car. I'm really annoyed. Anyway, run over. I'm just going to get on with the job. And there we have it. One engine removed. You can see that inside here is just filthy. Horrific. Not nice. Yeah. So, plan now, roll this out, give it a good clean, get the new engine in. But that'll all be on the next video. So we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.